Okay, Emily, what did you tell me you wanted to build yesterday?
A contraption.
A contraption. So we talked about building a contraption and we decided that we needed it to do something. So there's something that you always struggle with that we always tell you, Emily, go do this. What do we always tell you to go do?
Clean my room.
Okay, and specifically, what part of cleaning your room do you always have a problem with?
Picking up my panties.
Your dirty underwear off the floor, right? Kind of like this right here. That's kind of what your room looks like, right? Dirty underwear laying on your floor?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so go sit back down. So what did we do yesterday? What did we end up building?
What?
What did we build?
Contraption.
That picks up dirty underwear.
Yeah.
And better yet, it's remote control. Right?
Yeah.
Is that what you have in your hand there? Your remote control?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is just a prototype, and it takes up a little more space and it's a little complicated than it needs to be. But once we get all the bugs worked out, we're going to make a remote control panty picker-upper for your room. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's go look and see how this thing works. So you got the remote control. Let's go see what the remote control does. Coming over here, well, and here's the final goal. We got to get this dirty underwear up off my shop floor. So you got the remote. The remote comes over here and turns this little fan thing, which is connected to a string. That string comes over and pulls this nail out. When the nail pulls out, this battering ram is going to swing down, see, connect to this thing with strings, and it's going to hit this ball right here. Does it hit that ball usually, Emily? Yeah? Okay, then the ball is going to slide down here, and it's going to hit this pivoting arm with a potato gun ammo counterbalance. That pivoting arm is going to swing up, maybe trip a baseball if we're lucky. Baseball is going to roll down this little ramp here, fall into the bucket. From there, string up to a pulley, over to another pulley there, and back, all the way back over here to this pulley. And on that pulley, it's going to come down, it's going to pick up this ramp, another potato ballast. Once that ramp picks up, that ball is going to slide down this little ramp into this bucket. And this bucket is connected to an electrical switch. And that switch then turns on a fan. The fan blows the world's first sail dump truck. The world's first sail dump truck slides along the table and pulls out this pin right here. That pin releases two pieces of string. The first string goes up here, across the ceiling with some pulleys, to the panty snatcher. So this contraption will fall down, and if all works well, we'll snatch the panties. Dirty panties, I might say. The second string over here goes around the fast orange, comes over to our water bottle, which tips down. With a time delay, we'll fill the bucket. The bucket will get heavy and pull up on these strings, and we'll pull that nail out, and then that nail will come over and release the mallet. The mallet in this case is just a dead weight. When it falls down, it should pick the dirty panties up off the floor. So, Emily, do you think we're ready to try it?
Yep.
Okay, hold on just a second. Let me get into position. Okay, Emily, pick up your underwear.
This time I'll put it on the rubber band instead. Quiet.
Yay, we did it!
Yay, Emily, cheer!
Okay, now let's look at each step one at a time.